Increase height in Photoshop. First of all, make a selection around the person whose height you want to increase. Then, create a background copy. Open the settings, click Pixels, turn off the pixel layer and select Copied Background. Now go to Select, Modify Expand. Choose 3px or adjust as needed. Now go to Edit Fill Content Aware. This will remove the person. After that, turn on that pixel layer. Now press Ctrl+T and drag the person upward to increase the height. As you can see, the height is now looking good. The person's height has been increased.